Today we're going to learn about EV routing using Apple Maps and Apple CarPlay in your new Taycan. Before you get started, make sure you have connected your mobile device via Apple CarPlay to your Taycan. Now let's get started on the connection. First, you'll select the My Porsche app, Vehicle Details, Functions. Here you can see the bar that says Apple Maps EV Routing. Select that, and then select Get Started. You'll see a data sharing screen for permission, and then select Open Apple Maps. Now select Connect your Porsche, and then select Connect. You can make a choice to improve EV routing by the sharing of vehicle data. We're going to select Not Now. Now we can set up the preferred charging networks. Select Choose Networks. As you can see here, there's a wide variety of choices for you to choose from depending on your area. For the purposes of this video, we're going to select Electrify America and ChargePoint. Select Next. The Taycan Turbo S has been added. Select Done. Here you can see your vehicle in Apple CarPlay. So let's go to Apple Maps on the PCM. Now you'll open Apple Maps and let's go on a trip. We'll select Daytona for the 24 hours of Daytona. There are a few things that are different between the My Porsche app for your charge planning and the charge planner inside the vehicle. If you use Apple Maps, it will not precondition the car, which that means it's going to move the battery temperature to wherever it needs to be for optimal DC fast charging. And it also will not show you a live real-time view of the available chargers at that station. As you can see here, it's chosen 3 different charging stops for us to get down to Daytona from here. Here you can see the time of day for your next stop and also your state of charge upon arrival. In addition to that, you can add additional stops if you would like to change your route. You can share ETA with friends and family, or you can report a problem. You can now do EV routing using Apple Maps in your new Taycan.